Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to rename recently files and folders in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So click mo lang siya, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And next step, so itap mo lang dito yung open. So once na open mo na tong File Explorer, kung paano ba natin i-view yung recently files, so dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito or itap mo dito yung home. So i-click mo lang yan. And automatic mga kaibigan na mabibview na yung or mag-appear na yung mga recently files and folders natin. So kung paano ba natin i-rename itong mga recently files, so for example, select ka lang dito kung anong gusto mong files and folders yung i-rename. So click mong ganyan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And next step, so select mo lang dito yung properties. So click mo lang yan. And pop up itong kanyang properties. Okay, so dito lang sa pinakauna under dito sa general, and then pwede mo na itong i-rename. Alright, so rename natin new files. So once na-rename mo na siya, and then next step, so dito lang sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung OK. So click mo lang OK. Right. So makikita mo na dito na na-rename na natin. And other method na pwede natin gawin, so select ulit dito ng another files and folders. So select mong ganyan. And kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And next step, so makikita mo na dito na wala po siyang option na i-rename. So, ang gagawin mo lang is select mo lang dito yung show more options. Click mo lang yan. And then, pop up ito mga kaibigan. And dito ulit, wala kang makikitang rename. So, ang gagawin mo is select mo lang dito yung open file location. Ito siya. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And madadirect tayo dito sa open file locations. And save, nakaselect pa rin siya. And then, ang gagawin natin dyan is kailangan mo ulit mag-right click. And then, select mo ulit dito yung show more options. And then, ito na siya. So, makikita mo na dito yung rename. So, click mo lang ganyan. And then, pwede mo na itong i-rename. So, rename natin. And enter mo lang siya. And then, automatic mga kaibigan, na-rename na yung files. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to rename recently files and folders in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.